Ladies and gentlemen, we have the most practical bike, motorcycle, amazing for touring, only if you change the windshield.
Yes.
This. If you don't change the windshield, this is a crap. This bike is a crap. No good.
Don't say it like this, I'm sure.
Unless you're a very short man. I'm 190.
He's talking like that because he's so excited with the new windshield.
I was about to sell the bike. It's brand new and I was about to sell.
Why? Why? Tell me the reason.
I'm going to tell you now.
Okay.
This is a piece extra.
This is a mother windshield.
The mother. This is the original.
Father.
This is the original windshield, and this is the stock, the accessory, the GIVI, which is, look at this, look, and the curve here. And I want to talk about this windshield. Okay, I'm going to sit and talk to you about this shield because, okay, as it looks, look, it protects me nothing. Was here, okay?
Okay, yes.
Was here, now it's here. Protects me nothing. And somehow this windshield, you're supposed to have the wind bothers you. So you say, I don't go fast because the wind is bothering me. And I was thinking, let's not put a tall one because wind is not going to bother me, so I'm going to ride fast. But ladies and gentlemen, became the opposite. Became the opposite. I was feeling like I have a little bike going fast with this. All the noise, all this made me aggressive. And this is like a car. It goes with 130 kilometers in the highway, like this, with 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers, which is amazing. It's a #1 motorcycle in this fuel consumption efficiency, and that everybody should have after 40 years old. This bike is best for 40 years old, but you have to change this. You have to change this. I'm 190, 6.2 feet, and I'm looking above. But these curves sends the wind above my helmet. All these bugs, all this dirt was in my jacket, no more. And I was about to sell this bike because I don't know why, I didn't like it so much. And when I put this, my first trip, I say I will never, ever, ever sell this bike.
It's true.
Unless I sell it for the DCT model, the automatic, because it's with clutch, you have clutch here and gears. If I want to have with automatic DCT model, which is exactly the same bike, just this automatic gears, you don't have to change gears, then I have to change it. Otherwise, I never change this bike. I'm tall, 190, and if you're tall like me, make sure your legs is going to be tiring because it's too folding. You have to fold. I cannot do this from now, from here. From here.
Okay.
It's too close for me, so after 1 hour of using, να κάνουμε video. After 1 hour of using, my legs had to stop, but I had this solution, which is like Harley Davidson, the 1.8 liter engine, the huge Harley Davidson. So same, I am like this, so why not? But I have official efficiency, fuel capacity,
what do you want to say?
Fuel consumption, 3.8 liter when I ride with 130 kilometers.
3.8?
3.8, 130 kilometers, and this measurements was in the real world when I put gasoline, because gasoline is here is the furniture, okay, here's furniture, and I kept all these measurements in the real world. I fully fill it up, full, guns full, und dann habe ich einmal de kaas hier bestellen. Γέμισα. Full gemacht. Then I full again. I checked the
indicator.
The indicator and it was correct. So it's real, yes. It's could this be possible? Yes, it could. It is possible. I can see this every day, and this needs gasoline like my 300cc motorcycle. It's the same. My 300cc motorcycle. I ride my motorcycle, the small one, 300 CRF 300L, and I do cruising with 110 kilometer. With 110 kilometer, I have 3 liters. Okay? With this, with 110 kilometer, I have 3.3 liters. It's about the same. We are talking about coins only. Okay, it's 750 engine, but it runs like 600. It's not powerful enough. But isn't it amazing having 600cc powerfulness and having like 300cc fuel consumption and being 750 for the long highway, having the RPM down when you go with 130. When you go with 130 and you have too low RPM, like this, why to change? I will never change this bike, never, never. Here, all this stuff, here, there is a
Can I come?
There is a furniture, full-size helmet fits here, in here.
Full face?
Full face.
Wow.
And with my second here.
Yes, you have put also this one. This the top case.
Top case, another video.
37 liters. Huh?
Another video, 37 liters, which fits one backpack, and if you don't believe me, day pack, I can show you. Boom, here. Here is my backpack. 29 liters. The Borealis is a very popular backpack. The half Earth is using it, you know?
Okay.
Half Earth is using this backpack. So,
Half population.
yes. Boom.
Okay.
What kind of video was this? Was about wind.
Yes.
The wind. I want to tell you something. I don't want to say my other motorcycles I tried and I owned, because it's not fair to put bikes down. I don't like this. So I'm not going to say about brands. But other motorcycles I had travel for my friends and what I was on, I never had this kind of wind. Sometimes the wind was coming from the back, was going turbulent, going from the back, like this, and I was feeling my eyes shaking from the vibration. I said, shit, I cannot try to do this. So I had to lean, I had to find a position, and there was no place for me to hide myself from the turbulence.
Yes.
Big companies, big brands, very shit result. Very shit result. So I gave up. I was thinking that I will never ever have motorcycle that either covers me from the wind without turbulence, no possible. So finally I don't sell those things, okay? This I bought it from Genosatis in Athens, Promoto. But I don't sell this, so I can speak free. This, if you have NC and you don't have this windshield, you don't know what you miss. You have to run and get it. And you will have another bike and you will think, oh, this tall Greek man, he knows what he's talking about. It's a must. And I don't know why Honda doesn't give this with this, so I have to change like €100 or 120?
Yes, I wanted to ask you how much does it cost approximately?
100 euro, 100 euro, 100 euro, 100
Bars.
The bars,
The bars.
100 euro, the rack,
The rack, yes.
300 euro. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 700 euro about so far. And if you want to have here lights, 3 more 100, 1,000 euro to make the tour. And if you put here side
cases.
cases, 1,500 euro, all
Yes.
included. And there is a stand that I need to put.
Double stand.
Maybe even 2,000 euro to make it all like
To approach the perfection for the touring experience.
exactly. Okay, I cannot bitch because because this bike it's cheap and it's Honda and it's made in Japan. I cannot bitch. I have to pay more.
It is made in Japan.
Exactly.
I didn't know that.
Exactly. Not all Japanese bikes are made in Japan, but this is made in Japan.
This is a big plus.
This is looks a little bit city, but it works. And here I had already one crash. Scratches are here.
Shall I show the model of the windshield?
This I made this. Okay. This is a tube you have in your garden. Plastic. I made this, but because I'm an artist, I made it beautiful. Right?
Right.
Right?
Right. We need to show the code of the windshield if someone wants to buy it.
This is, you write the code in description.
I'll write the code.
Description.
I think it's
This is
too
the
much.
thumbnail.
Too much detail.
This is the thumbnail.
Okay, let me find a good how it looks. Okay, maybe this one is good.
Okay?
Okay, yes.
Thank you, Honda, so much.